Want to instantly connect with your website visitors the moment they fill out your Contact Form 7 form. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. We need to install the key plugins Contact Form 7. If you don't have it already and Chat API for WhatsApp, make sure to activate both after installation. Now, open your Contact Form 7 form. We're going to need to identify the field names you want to include in your WhatsApp message. Take note of these. You'll need them shortly. Next, access the settings for the Chat API plugin. You'll typically find this under its own menu item in the WordPress dashboard. In the settings, locate the area for configuring your WhatsApp message. This usually involves entering your WhatsApp business API, a phone number, and crafting a message template. Here's the crucial part. Use the Contact Form 7 field names you noted earlier within your message template. For example, if you want to include the user's name from the form, use the corresponding field name like your name inside the message. Once you've configured everything, save your changes. Now, test your form. Fill it out and submit. You should receive a WhatsApp message with the information you specify. Congratulations, you have successfully integrated Contact Form 7 with WhatsApp, enabling immediate follow-up and personalized communication, boosting your lead engagement directly from your website. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.